Alright, back on the Honda Odyssey. It came back a couple days when I did the return hose. This time, what a weird time that it came back, that it was another problem. With our weather here up in Canada, it's freaking minus below 34, 38, 42 this time. On my previous video, I changed the pressure hose and now it's leaking again. So I removed the 2 bolts up here on the pump already. There's a bracket here that holds to the back of the engine. Removed that already. And now there's that mount that secure the line to the frame. Those 2 mounts are removed, and now at the end of this lines, this is the good spot right here on the driver's side, right by the brake booster. This is a good spot to remove that steel line. I'm gonna zoom in you guys up on a close-up view, and that steel line, I don't know, I need to get a course spot right here so I could show you. I'm gonna point it with the wrench. There you go. This right there, that's the line that I'm gonna remove. That's the end of the pressure line to the rack. There's a fitting right there that needs to be taken out, and what I use is 14 mil zoom in pipe wrench. There, use 14 mils on that one, and this is the good spot right here to take it out from the top and pull it down to the bottom. So yeah, let's get to it. There's a really close-up view here, you guys, so that you guys can see what's going on. So this is the rack right here. That's the pressure line going into the rack. This is the subframe right here. So let's take this thing out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So this way is going to the back. There you go. Hope. I think will be the best tools on this is I got this pipe wrench, but it's really long. I'm gonna need a short one. This is a really long one. It's cracked loose already, so I don't need a leverage to spin this nut. Well, let's try this. Okay. It's loose now, so let's see if I can spin it with my hand. Oh, yeah, I can't. Alright, I'm gonna get a small wrench. So I got this. Just a regular open end wrench. This should be good now to like spin this fitting. It's not gonna round it off, the fitting, because it's loose now anyways. So skip spinning it. It's gonna leak. This is the best time to put rag at the bottom. Alright, gotta put a rag down there so that it's not gonna leak out all over the place on the floor. So just loosen this up, and then when this thing loose, it's gonna, of course, gonna start dripping fluid, and make sure. Oh, I was going the wrong way. Wow. Should pay attention here while I'm talking. I was tightening it up. Alright, so when this thing breaks loose, it's gonna start leaking. Make sure you got a catch can down there. I did use my oil catch can bucket down there, and at the end of this pressure hose there's two bolts that connect to the pump. That's disconnected already, and you're just gonna pull this whole thing down below the vehicle. I think it's loose now. I could use it, spin it with my hand finger here. No. Spin it with my hand again. No. Trying to wiggle the line on the other side. Maybe get caught or something that it's not gonna come out. Spin it again. There you go. Wiggle the hose while you're spinning it. Wiggle, wiggle. There you go. It's gone. So let it sit on the towel.